Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Discord and your OS are up to date. This prevents known bugs. Once done, open Discord and go straight to user settings then notifications so you can control global behavior. Make sure to close background apps that might mute sounds or capture audio output because they interfere. You're initiating the fix now. This primes the app, avoids wasted steps, and ensures subsequent changes apply cleanly without old cached problems sneaking back in. You'll now adjust notification controls precisely. Enable desktop notifications and pick your sounds so alerts are audible. Next, inspect each server's notification overrides and any muted channels because overrides silently block alerts. Then verify push and mobile settings if you use multiple devices, and confirm Do Not Disturb is off on both Discord and your OS. DND silences everything. Once these are aligned, you'll have narrowed down where alerts were blocked and prepared. Finish by selecting the correct output device in voice and video and play a notification sound to confirm it routes properly. Wrong output is a common culprit. If settings still don't stick, clear Discord's cache or reinstall the app so corrupted files aren't blocking changes. Finally, restart your OS audio service or reset Bluetooth pairing if you use wireless devices. This resolves hidden handoffs. If problems persist, try one more reboot. That often clears lingering driver or service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.